Barclays credit card. How to apply for Barclays credit card. Now if you wish to apply for Barclays credit card, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all open your browser, and in your browser just type in apply Barclays credit card. You'll find the first credit card link from Barclays Bank over there. So just tap on the first Barclays Bank's the link right there, and it will give you a couple of options of all the credit card. Before you apply for a credit card, you must first make sure that you're eligible for a credit card. So tap on this link that says eligibility checker. It will take you to the page where it will ask you a couple of questions. Now first you must also choose a card and then check if you are eligible for that card. So once you choose a card, tap on see card details, and over here you can simply tap on check eligibility, and over there when you tap on check eligibility, again it will take you to the new page, and then from there on you should be able to see if you're eligible and log in with the respective details. Once you're eligible for a certain card, you will be able to apply for it, and once you apply for it, you will receive your card. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.